hobbies, and I want to show you about this chair right here. Bring it into view here. See the base here, right here, with the wheels? Supposed to be a heavy duty base, and these studs click into the pedestal right here, and then the wheel goes on. Okay, but what happens is over time, if you're a heavy guy like me, these wheels could, if you lean over, you could bend the wheel and snap inside this stud right here. Okay, and what the fix is you have to, let's put this to the side maybe, get a MIG welder. Okay, and you're going to MIG weld. All right, I'm going to put this down here and size it smaller. And I'll show you what we're going to MIG weld. You take this wheel off here, and there's going to be a stud. You're going to MIG weld around the stud right here, okay? And on each one of them. And it should be very easy to get that secured, because they're only press fitted in, okay? And if you MIG weld it, you'll have a nice, strong, sturdy base for the chair right here, okay, down here. If you tend to lean over here, the arm anyway, it won't give out on you, you know. So that's what I want to tell you about this chair and this type of pedestal. If you see any type of pedestal like this, I tried buy something else beside this. If you're a heavy guy, like 350, in weight. So, but the alternative is if you do have this chair, you can fix it. Don't toss it out. I used to have a MIG welder, and I don't have a MIG welder anymore, and I wish I did. And I don't have any place really to MIG weld, so I couldn't fix my chair. I had a broken stud, so I had to buy a new chair, and I bought a 3-year warranty. That's another thing. If you buy a chair, buy a 3-year warranty when you get your chair. That's what I want to share with you today. I hope you're having a good day, and please rate and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.